If the plumbing stub-outs interfere with a 3-piece tub surround, plan a controlled fit strategy before you start fastening anything. Begin by measuring each panel against the wall, marking the exact locations of the stub-outs on the back face and the finished face to maintain alignment once installed. Use a multi-tool with a plunge blade to carefully widen the factory cutouts by no more than 1/4 inch at a time until the stub-outs pass freely, keeping the tool flat to avoid jagged edges. If the surround uses male and female tongue and groove joints, test fit panels dry, then trim locking tabs on the mating edges with a fine-tooth saw or utility knife so panels slide without stressing seams. For deep or oddly placed stub-outs, consider creating a small access pocket behind the panel by recessing the drywall slightly where the stub protrudes so the finished panel sits flush. Patch and seal the visible joint with an appropriate waterproof caulk. When enlarging cutouts, score the face laminate first to prevent chipping, and sand edges smooth before applying silicone to maintain a watertight barrier. Keep a temporary support under the panel while you work so the weight does not open seams or misalign the adjacent pieces. Common mistakes include cutting too much material and creating a visible gap, which you can avoid by removing only the minimum and using backing foam or a thin filler strip to fill any small voids. Another issue is damaging the decorative finish while enlarging openings, so always score the surface and use fine tools to protect the face and then seal exposed edges with matching trim or caulk. A third problem is forcing panels together when tabs or grooves bind, which can crack locks or warp alignment. Instead, trim the offending tabs incrementally and recheck the joint so you preserve the structural interlock. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and gives us a place to discuss specific installation challenges like stub-out interference. We help contractors find work by listing projects, and we host a community discussion area where our members share tips, trade tool recommendations, and post before and after experiences.